again, everybody. JaLingo's expression of the week is you don't know. This means simply you already know. Other meanings. This term is used to emphasize what is being talked about or to express one's agreement on the topic being discussed. You may also hear you don't know being shortened in the style of don't know. An example of this expression may be as follows. Kevin, you reach a Keisha party little more? John would respond, don't know so that now miss me. The English translation to this would be, Kevin, are you going to Keisha's party later? And John would respond, of course, I wouldn't miss it for the world. Related words include, you know it, of course, that's right, and damn right. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.